Klaviyo Facebook Ads Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Klaviyo and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Klaviyo is a marketing automation platform primarily focused on email and SMS marketing, but when paired with Facebook ads, it becomes a powerful tool for dropshippers. Klaviyo helps you create personalized, data-driven campaigns based on customer behavior, and its Facebook ads integration allows you to create custom audiences, retarget lost customers, and optimize ad spend efficiently. Who is it for? Klaviyo is ideal for dropshippers who already use Facebook ads and want to improve ad targeting with more precise customer data. If you're running an e-commerce store and looking to boost customer retention or bring back cart abandoners, Klaviyo's integration with Facebook ads can significantly enhance your marketing efforts. Key features include customer segmentation, automated email flows, SMS campaigns, dynamic content, and advanced analytics, all synced with Facebook ads to create tailored ad campaigns. Now, the strengths. Klaviyo's integration with Facebook ads allows you to retarget users who have interacted with your store but haven't completed a purchase. By syncing your store's customer data with Facebook, you can create highly targeted audiences for your ads, which improves conversion rates. Klaviyo's automation features save you time by setting up abandoned cart emails, welcome sequences, and post-purchase emails. The platform also provides in-depth analytics, so you can track which campaigns are driving the best results, helping you optimize your ad spend. Weaknesses. Klaviyo does not handle product sourcing, order fulfillment, or inventory management. It's a marketing automation tool. While it enhances your advertising efforts, it's not a complete dropshipping solution. Additionally, Klaviyo's pricing can be a concern for smaller dropshippers, as it charges based on the number of contacts, which can get expensive as your list grows. It also has a learning curve, and mastering all of its features can take some time. Final verdict. Klaviyo is a powerful tool for dropshippers looking to improve their Facebook ads performance and automate email and SMS marketing. However, it's not a full dropshipping solution. If you need product sourcing or fulfillment tools, check the links in the description for better alternatives. If your focus is on boosting conversions through data-driven marketing, Klaviyo is definitely worth considering.